Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shelly and thank you so much for being here. Thanks for watching today's video. I decided to go back onto American Influencer. This is the AIA Beauty Bundle subscription and I was on it for, I want to think maybe 6 months, and it was one that you got every other month, and it was, I think, the $35 for a subscription, and you tend to get one brand, so it'll be like a beauty influencer takeover, if you will. At the time I was on several other subscriptions at the same time. And after getting this for, I want to think I got maybe like, I either got 3 or 4 of them. Maybe I got a full year's worth. I don't really remember. But anyway, I ended up canceling it just because it was like, well, I don't know that I love these anymore. I think I got introduced to some products that I really liked, and then some of them were like, not so much. I must have been on it for a year. I think I probably got 6. And some of them were good. Some of them brands were brands that I already knew of. Some of them were ones that was like, okay, I'm thankful for being introduced to it. I just didn't know how I felt about getting the one brand for the whole box. Anyway, I saw recently that they started doing monthly ones, so I thought I would give it a go again. So you guys let me know if you guys are at all interested in the AIA Beauty Bundle. This particular one, when I signed up for it, which I think I signed up for this in December, this would have been December's bundle, this is all a takeover by MAC. And I recently did a MAC video. It was kind of a little bit of a walk down memory lane. I was traveling and I picked up some MAC products, and it made me want to go in and use MAC products. So I have a video of me using MAC products, which I think we kind of gotten away from. I remember back in like the mid-90s, I was all about MAC. I felt so bougie going into Macy's or Nordstrom and buying MAC products. Even up until probably the early 2011, maybe 2012, I think I was still buying MAC products. And so for like the last almost 10 years, I've kind of fallen off of MAC products. So anyway, the first thing in here is the Prep and Prime Fix. This is retail value is $30, so this is almost the price of the box. The box is $35. This is almost it. Lightweight hydrating mist packed with vitamins and minerals that gently soothes and refreshes skin while delivering a soft sheen to refresh and finish makeup. So I guess this is gonna be a priming spray and in a setting spray. I never used this before, so that right there is kind of fun to have this. Trying some other people's holy grails that I just never got behind or never knew about. The thing on here is a powder blush. I have several of these powder blushes that are actually brand new because I picked up several while traveling. I looked and this is not a color that I already have. So this one is in shade Melba. It's like Melba Toast. It looked very pretty. I need to try these, huh? This actually looks like a really pretty blush color. I almost want to try these on my skin right now. MSRP on that's 25 bucks. So $55 just for those 2 products. MSRP on this retail value is $25. MAC Soft Coral Peach Blush that provides fantastic color with ease and consistency. This looks like a really good shade for me, actually. Hold on, I'm getting you, I guess, a closer view of it here. Focus. Get a pretty good shade here. That's pretty close to what it looks like. Soft Coral Peach, kind of. Very soft coral. Like a nod at coral, not like an orange coral. Okay, and then the next product in here is the Amber Lights eyeshadow. It says a peachy brown, highly pigmented powder with shimmer that applies evenly and blends well, available in kaleidoscope of colors, textures, and finishes. All right, I don't mind these little single pots of eyeshadow from MAC. This seems like an interesting choice, this kind of bronzy gold color. Oh, it's so creamy compared to the blush. Boy, that's really pretty, isn't it? It's like a gold bronze. That might not be everybody's shade, but if you're gonna do a single shade on your lid, that actually might be really pretty. I'm gonna have to come back and play with these now, huh? Maybe what I'll do is after this video, I'll do a makeup application, just kind of sped up with some music, and you guys can see what they look like on a lady of a certain age. Okay, the next thing in here, how much was that? That was $19. So this is the Powder Kiss Lipstick in Marrakesh Mirror. It says a lightweight moisture matte lipstick that delivers a blur of soft focus color with immediate and all-day hydration in a buildable, comfortable formula. Let's watch this. These are just so nostalgic. I don't think they've ever changed these components. They're like the same components forever. Oh, pretty color. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah. This actually could end up being a super pretty look, huh? Okay, and then the last thing in here, how much was that? $22. The last thing in here was the Magic Extension Mascara. Mascara that acts like lash extensions with 5mm long fibers that will deliver the look of false lashes with the over-the-top volume and exaggerated length. Okay, and now I need to do this. I need to put on this makeup. Kind of a fun packaging. Oh, she's getting on my nose. I don't recognize that scent. That's a distinctive scent. I'm gonna have to play with this stuff. And we'll do a quick look right after this. If you guys are interested, stay tuned. Otherwise, this was my AIA American Influencer Awards.com is their website, and this was the MAC takeover. So I'll be curious to see what it is next month. I think I prepaid for 6 months, so I'll get 6 boxes. Stay tuned if you guys are interested in box subscriptions. I kind of fell out of love with FabFitFun. I haven't officially canceled yet, but I'm right on the border of it. BoxyCharm is the other subscription. I mean, I have BarkBox for the dogs, right? But the BoxyCharm I keep because I like the add-ons. Stay tuned for, I'm gonna do a look with my AIA beauty bundle. 5 products for 35 bucks, and these are actually look really beautiful. If that interests you guys at all. I don't have a code, I don't think. I should probably look it up and see if I do, but if you guys are interested, let me know and I'll try to see if I've got a referral code for you guys. Maybe save you some money on it. I'm fine with that. If not, there's other like real YouTubers that have codes and they get something for it. I don't get anything in PR. I bought this because I was excited about the Mac stuff since I recently played with it. All right, I'm babbling. I'll see you guys at the end of my video. Thought I'd go over just sort of my initial impressions with the items that I used that was in this AIA Mac Takeover Beauty Bundle for the month of December. I'd be really curious to see what they come up with January. But I did use the Fix Plus beforehand and after. I know it's an OG one, I just never got into it. Again, not a professional makeup artist, but I did use it before my foundation and then again afterwards, and I did have to fan it down a little bit. We'll see how it holds up. The blush, I like the blush. I don't know if I like the blush with the eyeshadow, maybe, but I think the blush color is actually really pretty. Similar formulas to other MAC blushes. Sometimes they get a little shiny, sometimes not so much. This, I don't know if this is a mineral one. It just says powder blush. Melba Matte. I like matte blushes. I'm okay with that. The lipstick shade is Mary Cashmere. I'm not normally a warm brown lipstick kind of wearer. This is okay. My concern with wearing dark lipsticks is sometimes I feel like I lose my upper lip a little bit, but the shade's fine. I don't feel like it made my lips or my teeth look particularly yellow, which is good. And if I'm gonna wear a brown or, you know, kind of a darker, richer fall color, yeah, this is okay. The formula is fantastic. It's super creamy. The eyeshadow, this is a Amber Lights. It's gold. goldy, kind of bronzy, not really a coppery color. I would think copper would be a little bit more orange tint. And I did apply it with my fingers, and then I buffed it out with a brush. Sometimes when you buff shimmers out, you can get kind of a matte top edge, and I was trying to do that. I don't know that that really worked, but the color is flattering, and I don't mind the consistency of it. I don't feel like I got super crepey in my lids, and I did not use an eyelid primer, so I'll be curious to see what this does with it. But in a way, it kind of almost felt like a ColourPop Super Shock, which is kind of strange to say. Yeah, if I'm looking for a gold eyeshadow or a bronze eyeshadow, I feel like I have a lot, but it's flattering. I think this actually made kind of a cute little kit. The big fail for me, what else? I feel like there was something else in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, okay, so the last item in this, because there was 5 pieces in it, the last of it was the mascara. I don't love the mascara. This is the Magic Extension Mascara, and I feel like it just got super clumpy. I feel like I've got like spider legs on my eyelashes. I'm just kind of going back over it, seeing if a second coat will help, and I just don't see it. You know, in trying to apply it, I felt like I was spending all my time kind of brushing through clumps and trying to separate my lashes. I don't think that helped at all. So I'm gonna have to play with this a little bit more. Maybe this is one of those mascaras that after it's open for a little bit performs a little bit better. We'll just have to see. So all said and done, for $35, yeah, this is a cute little kit. It's not everything you need for a full face, but in a pinch, sure. Throw this in a little travel case or whatever if you need to add a few things to your collection. This is fine. My first kind of foray back into the AIA Beauty Bundle. I think it's worth it just for the, you know, like the Fix Plus. I'll keep this out here on my filming table. I might even get rid of some other stuff in place of it. So that's it for the AIA Beauty Bundle, not only unboxing, but try on. You guys let me know what you think. Is AIA Beauty Bundle, is it something that you guys are interested in? Is it one that you were interested in? Maybe you did it and you're like me, you kind of dropped off and now you're back on again, just testing it out a little bit. I got super excited when I saw some MAC products. I don't know why. I'm gonna have to start maybe incorporating more MAC into my regular day-to-day. I do, the lipstick is growing on me. Actually, the whole look is growing on me. At first I thought, oh, this blush isn't gonna really work, but maybe it did. Maybe I just need bronzer. I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it the way it is. Until my next video. Bye for now.